Okay, hello guys for today's video. Inhale, exhale muna tayo kasi just ko my God. Anyway, good morning everyone. Today's video guys is we're going to flex few of our items that we have. But before, again, I'm going to flex first the jewelry we're wearing. So we have here a heart, pinky, or you can use it also as a toe ring, and our panther ring. Yeah. And then we have letter L with diamond. Free size. This one is free size, can be worn any of the word. And our bracelet, emerald with diamond. And our pendant, letter P initial. And our earrings, heart. Okay, so we have few items here. Okay, but before anything else, guys, before I'm going to show you our items, I want to flex first my few personal items. It's my personal collection. I just want to get rid of them because I cannot look after them anymore. So we have here a Gucci bag, a tote bag. This is our Gucci. Yan siya. Yan siya. So, ganyan ang suot niya. And then we have also our Burberry. Yeah. Perfect for hand carry. You can have them for layaway 200 bucks a month until matapos. And then we have also our another Gucci pink one. See, maganda po siya. If you're interested. And then we have also our Gucci. I see look at Gucci Annie. We have also our Coach two-way. Coach. Ayan guys. Pero ang ganda nito. Tawad ko pala kung siya i-let go. Two-way. Yeah. Okay, so if you're interested, please message me. Flexible po yung terms natin. Kasi personal ko naman to. So first we will start with this one. We have here an Aromi plate set. So yeah, it's made in Japan and comes with the, like that, 5 pieces of this and 1 piece of this big one. So yeah. So this is the backs. And then we have this lace blazer, brand is Sly. Ganda nito. Kaso lang hindi siya magkasya sa akin. Ang sexy pa niyan. Kasya lang sa akin na to. So that's available. And then like we have also a retinol moisturizer, we have a serum, we have also a facial mask, and we have also a eye mask, a face mask. So we have the face mask for retinol, and we have also the eye mask. Try nyo guys, maganda talaga to siya. And this one has 30 sheets, so once a week you will just use a face mask, so it will last long, because 30 sheets. And then this one also is the eye mask, I don't know how many, 120 sheets. Ayan. Ganda nito. And then we have also a Christian Dior shirt. All our jewelries is open for layaway. So this is a Christian Dior shirt. Light orange. And then we have another one. Orange naman. Ayan siya. Size 10 to 12. And then we have also Salvatore shorts. So we have here a Salvatore shorts. Size 12. And we have also a jewelries, but that will be the last. And we have Gucci. So we have Gucci, guys. This one. Comes with a paper bag, bags, and a dust bag. and a ribbon too. So this is our Gucci cup. Diba, ang ganda nito. Katulad nito pa siya sa akin. Kasi medium size siya. This is good for small to medium size. Hindi kasi siya mukha siya. Parang maliit. So yan siya. Ganda ng kulay. Kaso lang maliit. Kasi dapat mag-ganyan din siya dyan. Kaso lang maliit. Ganda pa naman ang kulay. Ka-beautiful. So yan. Tune natin. So, I'll show you the jewelries. Okay, we'll start with this one first. We have this one, a pendant necklace. Pearl pendant, Baroque pearl. 18 karat settings. Ayan. Ayan siya, malaki po siya. So we have that one. And then I have here also 10 carats. 10 carats lang to guys. Na emerald earrings. Heart and zirconia. Hindi maklaro. Ayan, ayan. And then we have a silver settings pearl earrings. Ayan. Ang maganda nito is ganyan siya, oh. Kunin lang yan siya dyan. Tapos dyan na naka-attach yung lock niya, oh. So, yan. So, yan. And then, we have this one. A necklace with flower motif necklace with diamond. So, yan. So, yan yung ano natin. Ang ganda. And then we have here also a design necklace. And then we have a 5.280 carats ring diamond. Ayan siya. 5.280 carats na diamond. Baguette cut and flower and Rosita's cut. I think leaf cut pala. And it comes with a certification. This one also is, if you're interested, this is flexible terms. So yeah. Okay. So yan po ang jewelries natin. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Thank you so much.